Welcome to Harvest 2023. Today is our first full day of harvest, and I think we're gonna have about 200 acres licked off today. So you can see my brother over there dumping on the go with our 2020 Case IH 8250 Hillside Combine with 45-foot MacDon Flex Draper. We've got the Quadtrac 435 from Case IH also. It's pulling our Brent 1300 bushel bank out, and he can hold enough in his bank out now to easily bring us a semi-load at a time. Even if we have doubles, he can haul that much if they heap them up. So it's kind of exciting out there. This is our 7th load in this truck today. We've been making a bunch of trips to the port. The other truck it got 6 in, and this load will probably set overnight. We're just trying to see if we can finish up this field to have a good quitting point for the night. You can see a couple of our fire rigs. We have a spot disced out there with a tractor that can disc fire breaks or get us some space to escape to if there is a fire, and the pickup Duramax with a 100-gallon slip tank and small engine in the back for putting out the fire as well. Kind of a cool view from up on this ridge. This field, if you look around, is actually 2 miles long, so we've actually already harvested that out there as far as you can see. It's one long ridge out here, and not great yields this year. Not a lot of straw left on the ground. It just got hot and dry at the wrong time. Normally we have 8 inches of rainfall by the time harvest rolls around, and this year we were just under 5. So just not enough moisture for a great crop this year. Anyway, stick around for more harvest videos to come. Please remember to like and subscribe.